Welcome to all. Our today's topic is water absorption test. Okay, so firstly let's see the definition. What is meant by water absorption test? So the water absorption of porous aggregate is measured by the percentage increase in weight of an oven dry sample after immerse in water for 24 hours. Okay, so from this test it gives the more realistic result, and this test will decrease the water content in concrete. So this test gives an idea on the internal structure of aggregates, and these aggregates having more absorption are more porous in nature and are generally considered unsuitable unless found to be acceptable based on the strength, impact and hardness test. So this test will depends on the porosity of aggregate, and the water and more water absorptions will affect the workability and durability of that concrete. Okay, so next let's see the required apparatus. So for that we required a weighing balance machine, then plate, sample aggregate, then also we required a specific gravity bucket. That means we can also say that the density bucket or wire mesh bucket. Then we also required a oven. Okay, so you can see in this picture, this is our specific gravity basket. Then let's see the procedure how to find out water absorption test. So firstly, about 2 kg of aggregate sample is taken and then washed to remove fine and then placed in the wire basket. Then this wire basket is then immersed in water, which is temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Then this basket is immediately after immerse, the entrapped air is removed from the sample by lifting the basket 25 mm above the base of the tank and allowing it to drop 25 times at a rate of about 1 drop per second. Then the basket with aggregate are kept completely immersed in water for a period 24 plus or minus 0.5 hours. That means 24 or 24.5 hours. Okay, then the basket and aggregate are weighted while suspending in water, which is at temperature at 30 degrees Celsius. Then the basket and aggregates are removed from water and dry at room temperature. Then the surface dry aggregate are also weighted. After that, the aggregate is placed in a shallow tray and heated at 100 to 110 degrees Celsius in the oven for 24 plus or minus 0.5 hours. After that, it is put in an airtight container and weighted. So after that, to find out the water absorption is in percentage. So for that, formula is W1 minus W2 divided by W2 into 100. So where W means the weight of saturated aggregate in air, that is W1, it is measured in gram, and weight of oven dry aggregated in air, that is W2, and it is measured in also gram. Okay, so from this formula we get water absorption is in percentage.